You're listening to an article by Eminent, an expert in aerospace engineering and technical consultation. See us at eminent-design.com. Certain environments within an aircraft are considered high risk due to the potential presence of explosive gases or vapors, such as those near fuel tanks or hydraulic systems. RTCA DO 160 Section 9. Explosion Proofness. Testing is designed to verify that equipment remains safe and non-incendiary in these environments, protecting both equipment integrity and overall flight safety. This section is critical for equipment that operates in locations where explosive atmospheres might be encountered, ensuring it doesn't become a source of ignition. Below, we'll break down Section 9, including testing categories, common failures, mitigation methods, and its importance in airworthiness. Why RTCA DO 160 Section 9 is essential for flight safety and airworthiness. Any component that produces heat, sparks, or electrical currents can pose a risk in an explosive environment. Section 9 ensures that equipment does not inadvertently ignite surrounding gases or vapors, preventing catastrophic failures. By verifying explosion proofness, Section 9 testing safeguards both the equipment and the aircraft, ensuring airworthiness and compliance with safety standards. Key categories of explosion proofness testing in DO 160. Section 9 testing is divided into categories that reflect different exposure levels to explosive atmospheres. Categories are selected based on FAA guidelines and customer-specific requirements, chosen according to the equipment's installation location and intended operation. Category E1. This category tests equipment for areas with intermittent exposure to flammable vapors. Failures may include electrical arcing or inadequate insulation, leading to potential ignition risks. Mitigation. Using spark-proof enclosures, high-quality insulation, and sealed connectors can reduce ignition potential in EE1 conditions. Category EE2. For equipment with continuous exposure to flammable gases, Category E2 simulates high-risk environments. Common failures involve overheating or loose connections that may emit sparks. Mitigation. Incorporating temperature-resistant materials, secure fasteners, and spark-proof casings ensures stability in prolonged exposure scenarios. Category E3. This category covers equipment located in areas that are only occasionally exposed to explosive atmospheres. Failures include insufficient explosion-proof design and potential exposure points. Mitigation. Selecting non-sparking materials and adding robust sealing mechanisms in high-risk areas provides extra security. Typical failures in explosion, proofness testing, and their mitigations. Explosion-proof testing highlights several failure points that could lead to ignition risks in explosive atmospheres. Electrical arcing and sparking. Equipment that generates electrical currents may produce sparks capable of igniting nearby gases. Mitigation. Implementing spark suppression, grounding, and insulating electrical circuits can eliminate spark risks. Component overheating. Overheated parts can reach temperatures high enough to ignite flammable vapors. Mitigation. Temperature-resistant materials, heat-dissipating designs, and built-in temperature control systems prevent overheating. Insulation failures. Inadequate insulation allows electricity to escape, creating ignition potential in high-risk environments. Mitigation. Using robust insulation and regularly inspecting it for wear or damage helps contain electrical currents safely. Loose connections. Components or connectors that loosen over time may emit sparks or create ignition points. Mitigation. Utilizing vibration-resistant fasteners and secure connections can prevent loosening and reduce spark risks. Rationale behind explosion. Proofness testing. Explosion proofness testing under DO 160 Section 9 is essential to ensure that equipment can operate safely in environments where flammable gases or vapors are present. This testing validates that equipment will not ignite surrounding gases, maintaining the safety of the aircraft and those on board. Selected categories, guided by FAA standards and customer-specific requirements, align with the operational environment to ensure equipment meets stringent safety criteria. Consulting for RTCA DO 160 Section 9. Testing how Eminent can support your certification needs. At Eminent, we provide expert consulting for DO 160 Section 9 certification, from the design phase to troubleshooting issues during testing. Our team can help you develop explosion-proof solutions, ensuring your equipment meets certification standards and performs safely in all operating conditions. If you encounter challenges, we're here to support you in achieving compliance confidently. Thank you for listening. Please check out our articles on other DO 160 sections.